Describe image is the most easiest 79 plus in the entire PTE. But most students just don't know the formula. After this video, you will. In the next 4 minutes, you'll get 25 seconds per formula, dynamic speaking flow, and a live practice demo. So make sure you stay till the end. The truth nobody tells you that you're not being graded for what you see, but how you speak on the data you chose. So it's all about fluency, pronunciation, and logical structure. So if you waste your 25 seconds on memorizing the whole thing, then you already lost your case. Let's break down 3 phases. Phase 1, your preparation window. A picture appears and you have 25 seconds to prepare. In the first 10 seconds, read the title. It's handed over to you for free, so use it as your opening line. And then comes the next 10 seconds. Pick 3 points from the picture, the highest peaks, the lowest drops, the trends, and the levels. And finally, breathe. Lock your pace. AI wants an original speaker, not a rushing robot. So that's it. It's 10-10-5 formula. Use it and see the magic. Phase 2. It's how you speak. This is where I disagree with many coaches. Don't memorize the rigid templates. Instead of, try the dynamic flow. Like block 1, intro. Give a clear intro about the picture. Or say the title as an opening line, as I mentioned before. And then comes block 2, axis. The horizontal one and the vertical one, and then comes block 3, the 3 points, the highest peaks, lowest trends, labels and trends, and then comes the conclusion, a clear conclusion. That's it. Phase 3, the closing, a synthesis line that tie everything together. You can see the difference between a weak line and an effective line. Like when I say, and the temperature also went up, yes, that's it. It's a weak line. When I say that in conclusion, the graph clearly demonstrates a continuous rise in both indicators over the 5-decade span, highlighting an undeniable environmental trend, that's an effective line. So, you know the difference? Now, let me run a live practice demo here so that you know how it works. Now, a picture appeared in front of me on the screen, and now I'll pick 3 points from here, like the birds are feeding on the perches, and it's a recycling process of the plastic bottles, and it's a process of sustainability, and then put a conclusion to it. And firstly, I'll give a title to it. Now, let's start. The image presents a creative DIY bird feeder made from recycled plastic bottles. 2 similar feeders are shown in a blurred background. Both transparent bottles are filled with mixed bird seeds and have wooden perches attached through their sides. In the second picture, a small bird is sitting in the perches. The image highlights the recycling, sustainability, and support for wildlife. Overall, it demonstrates a simple, eco-friendly way to reuse plastic bottles while providing food for birds in a natural environment. Okay, submit. So you can see, here is my score. I have 74 out of 90 for content, and 68 out of 90 for pronunciation, and 72 out of 90 for fluency, and overall I get 72 out of 90. And here is my answer. Now that you've seen the practice, you know that the software isn't testing your eyes, but your composure. Now let me give you a cheat sheet and make sure you screenshot this. So that's all for today. If this has changed how you see PTE describe image, then hit a like, share, and subscribe to this channel. In my next video, I'm going to expose the PTE written lecture mistakes that's killing your 75% of your score. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.